What's going on, everybody? This is Austin with Dry Tight Roofing. Just want to show y'all these cool new metal pipe boots that I'm installing. They are guaranteed to last, I would say at least 40-50 years. They're all metal. There's no wear on it. There's no rubber that's going to degrade over time. Complete steel construction. If you've ever seen a regular pipe boot on a roof, they leak all the time. It's probably one of the most common leaks on a roof. And it's because it's just a rubbery thing that wraps around the boot, and over time it deteriorates out in the sun, and when that rubber goes out, it leaks. Also, you have to seal up where the boot meets the pipe, and that leaks a lot. They leak around the nail heads that hold them down. So one thing we do is we use metal roofing screws with a neoprene washer. That ensures that it doesn't leak down at the bottom where it's secured down. And it's not gonna leak anywhere else on here either. Check this out. Look at that. Wraps completely around the boot to ensure it is never going to leak, y'all. So that's just one thing I believe in, is installing good products, installing a roof that's gonna last a really long time. And it comes down to the products we install. The Atlas Pinnacle Pristine shingles. I love these shingles. I've been installing them for years. And they come with a lifetime algae warranty because they have a high copper content in them. So that fights off black algae. What else? They have an 1.5-inch nailing zone to ensure they're properly nailed, which I really like. And when I'm talking about the nailing zone, I'm talking about the overlap of the shingles. What else do I love about Atlas? They seal down very well. They have a double dash sealant line. So, I've never gotten a call about an Atlas shingle blowing up or falling off a roof. Once we lay them down, they're there and they don't go anywhere. So I love that. And they're not going to turn black. The north side of the roof isn't going to turn black over time from algae. So just wanted to share a little bit of my work and tell y'all, a little bit about me. And, I started this business about 5 years ago, and, when I started my business, I made my slogan, dry, tight, done right, because it's as simple as that. I want to do the job right, and I want to do it well, and I want to make sure that when we put a roof on your house, that it's gonna last. I want to make sure that whatever I can do to make it last longer. Of course, nothing is gonna last forever, especially a shingled roof. Shingles wear out. It doesn't matter what you install, but I wanted to make sure that whatever we put on there is going to last a long time. And so, I'm always looking for ways to, be better. So that's another thing, is just always trying to be better, always trying to find better ways to do things, different methods, different materials. So that's just a little bit about me. Just a local roofing contractor. We also do siding, gutters, insurance claims. Actually, for this job that I'm on in Cross Plains, the insurance company did not want to pay at first. They were only paying for a roof repair. And due to some, basically I was able to show that this roof was not repairable because of the type of shingles that were currently on the roof. And I eventually was able to get them to approve the full roof. And then also, they didn't approve this lower section of the roof down here, but I got that approved too, because I was able to find damage on it that the insurance company missed. And so instead of going back with shingles, we went back with this 2-layer modified bitumen. It's basically like, imagine a big roll of shingle. But it's a 2-layer system, really great. And we did that because that's a low pitched area on the roof. So that's just a little bit about this job I'm doing. Just want to check in with everybody. Hope everybody's doing great. If you need a roofer and you're in Robertson County, or you're in Sumner County or Davidson County, anywhere around there, we even work up in Kentucky sometimes, give us a call. I love to serve you and show you why we do great work. Simple as that. We try our best. We're not perfect, but we're always there to try and do our best and do excellent work. So y'all have a great day. Peace and love.